Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be a daytime smoky eye turned into a nighttime smoky eye. This look was actually a request per somebody who watches my channel. A girl named CeeCee actually requested this look and she was super sweet about it, so I just had to do it. And if you guys are interested in learning how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, and welcome back. I'm so happy to be back. I missed you guys so much. Sorry about the long delay in content. I actually was in the process of moving and just adjusting to everything. So now fully moved in, settled in, still getting some furniture, but I'm finally in my new place with my roommate and I'm loving it. I love this place so much. It's just good vibes, good energy, and I'm excited to knock out some new content now. Today's video is a special one. It's gonna be from, I think she's a subscriber, but I'm not sure. If not, that's cool too. But the first person who ever requested me to do something, her name is CeeCee, and she basically commented on one of my videos requesting that I do like a daytime smoky and then build it up to a nighttime one. So that's what today's video is gonna be on. I already did my eyebrows off camera. Starting off, I'm going to use the iconic London Day to Slay palette. I'm gonna go in the shade Ultimate Tan. Just kind of like a peachy shade. So I'm gonna pick up a Morphe M441 and just put the Ultimate Tan in my upper crease area. I haven't done a tutorial in forever, so I'm so happy to be doing this. Like I said, I apologize for it taking so long, but moving is a process and I had stuff in storage. I had to move it from over there all the way here, and my storage was downtown LA. So I'm all moved in with my girlfriend Jojo, my best friend. We're in the valley. And I've actually lived in this area before and I really like it. I have a lot of ideas lined up and I'm excited. I'm just excited for fall, honestly. I love summer and everything, but I'm over it being hot all the time. I'm ready for it to be cold. Now I'm gonna go into Merlot Mondays. This one right here. And picking this up on an R37 Morphe. So I took Anastasia Beverly Hills and put ginger. I added a little bit of ginger all over the lid. See, I'm just like putting it, laying it right on. So now that you can see that I have pretty much the lids done, I'm gonna do a little bit of a lower lash line and smoke it out a little bit. So I'm going to take a pencil brush. This is a Sigma E30 pencil brush, and I'm just gonna dip into Merlot Mondays. I'm excited for next weekend though, because it's my BFF's birthday and we're gonna be going to SD, so it should be fun. San Diego, here we come. I'm excited. I haven't been to San Diego in forever. A long ass time. You never want to leave your lash line looking like this because then you just look sick. So I'm gonna go in with a brown to just deepen it up a little bit so that it's not as crazy. I'm gonna go back in with that deep soul color on the same pencil brush, and I'm going to smoke it out a little more. Smoking. And once I lay the color down, I go back in to pull them together so they're not two like separate colors, like so. Same thing for the other eye. Winter's coming. Winter is a coming. Name that show. You know what's sad? I never watched the end of Game of Thrones. I never got around to it. I heard it was kind of disappointing though. So maybe that's why I don't want to watch it. Because I don't want to be disappointed. Maybe one day I'll finish it. I only watched it for Jon Snow anyways. What's his name? Kit Harington? He's hot. Gotta have some kind of eye candy. You know what I'm saying? Am I the only one who's like that? And I'm gonna go into skin now because I'm gonna show you how to do the bump up after I have my whole face done, just so you can see both looks at the same time. For primer, I'm just gonna go in with Professional by Benefit. Put that in my T-zone because you know I have an oily ass. T-zone all the time. Never fails. Never freaking fails. I'm gonna be going in with L'Oreal Infallible and be mixing that with the It Cosmetics CeeCee cream. So combining these two. Pro Glow is in the shade Buff Beige. So many randoms keep wanting to send me direct messages. So annoyed. But I think it's my fault, honestly. Because what I did was I was trying to find me, you know, a quarantine bae, because your girl is single AF. And I downloaded a few dating apps, you know, and then I put, oh, if you want to get to know me better, I said, oh, you know, because a lot of people post their IGs in there just to, which I honestly appreciate, because guys just don't know how to take freaking photos on there. I put, oh, if you want to get to know me better, here's my IG name. And I got so many freaking new followers from that, but that's not what I was really trying to do. I was just trying to, you know, like if they're interested, you know, they can look at my profile. They can message me, that's fine, but nobody said anything about following. Like, you don't have to follow me, you know? And I just keep getting all these messages. I'm just like, dude. I haven't had any luck on dating apps, but other people have. Good for them. I already got over it within a week and I deleted all of them. But I keep getting these requests and all these freaking messages. I'm like, this is not the attention that I wanted. Like, leave me alone. Obviously, if I was interested in you, we would have swiped right together. You know what I'm saying? And it's like all these freaking guys that I obviously wasn't interested, but they're the ones who are freaking messaging me. I'm like, good job, Bree. Look what you did. For concealer, I'm gonna use Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind in the shade Light Honey. So I'm just taking a Morphe E8 and setting the face. Another awkward thing that I found on the freaking dating apps is a few people that I know, which is even more awkward. So that's kind of weird. And it was a few guys that I knew. I was like, oh my God, it's so weird. I'm like, oh, you're on here too? I didn't know that. Yeah, I'm gonna swipe left. Megastar Glamour Bronze to warm up my face. And I'm gonna take this on a Morphe M530. Fun stuff. Sure other ladies are doing the same thing as me. Try and stay patient. Focus on you. Accomplish your dreams, your goals. That's what I'm doing. And then hopefully the rest will just follow. That's all you can do. Work on you. I've been working out. I feel so much better. I've been working out a lot now. I'm trying to get that six-pack, you know what I'm saying? Abs and abs. That's what I'm trying to do. And I feel so much better too. I'm eating really clean. Like I said, a motivation for my birthday. My birthday's coming up, so I want to look hella good. Maybe snag me a honey, you never know. From CeeCee London, Marbled Light, this one. For highlight, I'm gonna be going in with this one. Switch it up. I'm gonna do 143, this one, on a BH Cosmetics number 5 brush. I'm gonna do some setting spray just so we can do the first daytime look, see what it looks like complete. And then after that, I'll do the rest of the eyeshadow to do the bump up and the nighttime smoky eye. And I'm gonna go ahead and use Pixie Makeup Fixing Setting Spray. I'm gonna curl them and put some mascara on. All right, so as you can see, I finished putting on mascara on my upper lashes, or my lashes, and then as well as my lower lashes. So now just to complete this daytime smoky eye look, I'm just gonna go in with some gloss. I'm using Bare Minerals. This is in the shade Social Light. I went with the gloss just because I feel like I kind of have a little bit going on with the eyes, And yeah, I would say this is how I would definitely do a daytime smoky look. All right, and now to bump it up, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on a dark brown shade. You could also do a black, but just for the sake of the video, because I already have a lot of browns and neutrals, I'm just gonna do a dark brown on the lid. I'm gonna go back in with Deep Soul, which is this one right here. Oh, I'm also gonna lay down some setting powder under my eyes just so the brown doesn't get everywhere and I can just wipe it away. Okay, now can you see the difference between this one and this one? How it's like so much more smoky, more of a nighttime kind of look. And now I'm just gonna work that color into the crease a little bit. I'm just gonna make sure it's a little bit more gradient. But yeah, I can definitely tell the difference. This is more daytime, and then this one is definitely for more of going out, more glam. So same thing for this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do it off camera, and I'm gonna also add some lashes because it's more of a daytime smoky. You definitely need lashes for this look. So I'll be right back. I went ahead and put on some House of Lashes in the style Ethereal Mini, and those are on. And now I'm just gonna do a little bit of inner corner highlight just to give the eye a little something extra since it is a smoky eye. And I'm gonna take that on a pencil brush. I'm gonna go in with the color Champagne Chic. Just a little inner corner moment. And to bump up the look a little bit more, I'm going to actually put a lipstick on. This is gonna be the Too Faced Sex on a Peach lipstick. Neutral, but it's also not a gloss, so it's more of a nighttime look, a nighttime feel, if you will. Please let me know if you guys prefer the daytime smoky eye over the nighttime, or which one you prefer. Also, if you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Better yet, subscribe if you want to see your girl Bree Marie again. And shout out to CeeCee. Again, thank you for requesting this video. And if anybody else has any other requests, please comment on one of my videos. Let me know what you'd like to see. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Wipe her off a little bit, Bree. Come on. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Golden year, here I come. You're sure up. Looking like a little floozy. I kind of want a Corona. Shoot. And it smells like peaches. I'm gonna eat it. Take a bite. What the? Why is it right over me though? Oh, okay, there it is. What's going on? You're a dumb Bree.